Good morning. It's Thursday, August the 13th, 2015. It's about 8:20. And Larry already saw 2 deer this morning. I think they were over that direction where we saw them last spring. But the sun is out and we're going to the fair. It's going to be a great day. When I was cleaning the bathroom, I saw this bad spot in the window. And I showed Larry, and he's got the frame tore off already.
Ouch!
He's got the piece out. And now he's gone to cut a new one. Got the new piece cut to fit. So it's in. And it's done. We got the trim back up. Now we have the shutter back up there so we have some privacy. Here we are coming back to the fairground. And they're not backed up today.
No.
Here we go.
Where you want to go?
Are they going to tell us where to park?
I guess.
I think so, yeah. She's going to tell us where to park. In there.
Looks like Kathy there with her hair.
Uh-huh. And on out that way. He's taking it easy. And way on out there. Well, first thing we do at the fair is eat. So we got fish sandwiches and fries and a root beer. We're sitting here above the parking area. And over there is the, I don't know what they're going to have, a demolition derby or a tractor pull or what's going to be going on over there later.
It is now. A good thing you noticed. Hold on. Okay. All right, let me go back up the other way. So we're at the Athens County Fair, taking a break, a fish break. Okay, there she is, my girl. Okay.
There's the bandstand. You can't see too much from over here. Walk down the midway and all the food. Funnel cakes, ice cream, all that. That was under the rides. A lot of things aren't open yet. We're here pretty early. It's 10 after 12. Does one go out in the grass and then we can see everything?
I guess. Okay.
There's burritos and French fries and sausage and steak, popcorn.
You gotta watch the wires.
A lot of rides.
Where you want to go to?
I'm just right here, because we can see everything from here. Oh, there's swings.
There's t-shirts on there.
Hmm?
T-shirts.
Yeah, there's t-shirts. Gravity, spin out. Something that's not put together yet. And scrambler. Looks like a jump thing. Oh, that's moving now.
That'll get you sick.
Yeah. Well, used to be it wouldn't have.
No, I know it.
But now.
We had a friend with. Good thing I wasn't in him. They was in the other one. We was in one.
Mm-hmm.
And you could see it just throwing us upside down.
Oh.
Him and his other friend were. Ooh, that's good. You better not have any change in your pocket.
Mm-mm. Something smells good. Lemon shake-up.
Fried onions.
That's what it is, onions. You need a tie-dye t-shirt?
I don't want any.
Okay, let's go. Oh, for candy apples, 3 for $5.
Probably 40 years ago, it was 3 for $1.
I guess that's a jump castle.
Well, you don't
Must be a fun house.
Yeah.
No.
There's a little baby scrambler. And a merry-go-round. You hit the thing, you hit it and ring the bell and you win a prize.
Okay. Too bad it ain't open. I could show you something.
We went through all that down there and got our blood pressure check free and some hand sanitizer and 2 cookies. But this is the art photo exhibit. Ooh, they made a pretty necklace, got a first prize. Now he likes to look at this. Pretty tomatoes.
That's kind of you like it, right?
Mm-hmm. And honey and beans. Eggs. This must be flour arranging maybe, I don't know. He said he didn't want a cookie, but he changed his mind, I think.
That's hot.
It's hot? Still hot? That second booth up there is Alexander, and that's where we got our fish sandwiches. Larry, you want to stick your head in the farmer?
No. You?
No. Here, down here's the Grange building. We came in to see the chickens, but all the cages are just decorated. There's no chickens in them. It's kind of strange. There's pictures of people with their chickens, but no chickens. Cows.
Not enough to
Big
compete with
cow.
this Holstein winner today. Thank you.
More cows. There's more pens with pictures. That's a turkey. We're looking at the bacon. I said we're looking at the bacon now. There's the sheep. All been chewed. Goats.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, this is the steer that Carl's granddaughter entered and won Sir Reserve Champion. She got a lot of prizes for different animals. This is a horse barn. This is a new species here. Fishing derby tonight. Got a ride.
Yeah, he's a hard worker. I mean, he's been here 20-something years or
He
something.
can't be a hard worker. He worked down at Bridget.
My first truck right there, Chevy. I could have made it maybe, but I could have ran.
Well,
Yeah, I sure appreciate it. That saved me a few steps. My back was starting to give in.
my mom turned 90 on Father's Day,
Really?
and that was her birthday,
Ah.
and she died on it.
Oh, I'll be darned.
That was Virgil that gives a ride.
See you next year.
Well, there's a Siemens right there. That's a grocery store. We stopped here at the grocery store just because it was across from the fairgrounds. We didn't get very much because they were kind of high. Stopped for a yard sale. We were going to get gas, so we'll go. Well, we don't go by yard sales. And on Thursday, that's pretty good. Well, there was nothing we could use at the yard sale.
No.
Gas is $2.89 here, but we got to get some gas before so we can make it to Logan tomorrow to buy more, just to get a little bit here. Yeah, the Marathon gas station rejected Larry's credit card, so we came on down here to BP, where gas is only $2.49. Larry took the mower deck off so he could clean it up and see what the problem was with it, if there is any. Just collected a lot of dirt when he mowed down
Grass.
in the woods and the weeds and the brush.
Okay.
The mower works on hold for a little while. He's got to get a new belt for it. We had a belt, but it was the wrong size. So We'll be picking one of those up in the morning on our way to Granville. This is Thursday, and it's the first chance Larry's had to build a fire.
Trying to get that stump burnt. See the stump?
Mm-hmm. You trying to burn the stump?
Yeah. And all this other crap.
Yeah. Got nice smoke going up. You could send smoke signals. Larry's fire's burned up a lot, looks a lot neater now. It's burning on the stump. There's grapes up there in the tree.
I don't think that's the vine I cut.
But Larry cut one of the vines was growing on the tree, and he don't know if it's the one that goes to these grapes or not.
See, look to the left.
If we hadn't already had supper, we could have had some hot dogs roasted.
Yeah. Could have.
I'd rather have roasted hot dogs than marshmallows.
Mm-hmm.
Marshmallows are quick, but hot dogs are better.
Too sweet.
Mm-hmm. Well, maybe next week you can burn some more and we can have hot dogs.
Yeah, I'm sure there's plenty to burn.
Have you got any sticks anywhere to roast them on?
I can make them.
Just have to cut some?
Yeah. Push a little bit. Got the blades on underneath the belt and put it back together.
Oh, you got the new blades on the mower?
Hmm?
You got the new blades on the mower?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. It's 7 o'clock and time to end the vlog. It was another good day. Just lots of pleasant things going on. Enjoyed the fair. And it'd be nice to have the mower, the new blades and belt, making it run good again. And it's always fun to sit and watch fire burn. Good night, David. God bless.